Guys, I keep hearing weird noises. I heard like thunder and like there was wind right there. It's creepy and it's raining right now, like tiny little drops. If you don't trust me, look. You hear that? And I hear like someone whistling and like music. Look, it's raining. This wasn't here. And I heard like, I don't know, but I'm hearing weird noises. My dog is outside, so I have to get her in. Now you can hear the rain. Listen. I have to tell my mom to get Peanut in. But guys, like every time I come outside, it starts raining. See you guys later. Mom, Peanut надо запустить, там еще опять. Нет, там даже thunder. No. It's raining right now and the birds don't even care. Birds. 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 You thought I was short? Look. All I have to do is tiptoe. And look, see? That's how tall I am. That's how tall I am. That's how tall. I was just jumping outside on the tramp. And for some reason I didn't turn off the light. So, and then I'm looking in the mirror right now. Hi, mirror. And then it started raining. Like weird. I can see my eyes on the thing looking on this, which I'm not supposed to see. Look. I just saw it move. So, just saying, I just recorded something weird.